Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is your host Meenakshi again. Well, today I am not in our farm, I am at home, and by looking in the background I'm sure you guys have understood what is this video is about. Well, few of my friends have asked me to share tips about how I take care of my cactus at home. I do have a liking for cactus and succulents. Since cactus and succulents are very easy to grow according to me, however some find it very difficult because once you get it from the nursery, it eventually dies. So I would like to share a few tips with you guys as to how I take care of my cactus and succulents. Well, today's video is only about cactus, otherwise it will become too long. So let's get started. Well, this is the first variety I have. The color is slight bluish, as you can see, and probably it is called the blue tall boy. I don't know the exact scientific name because I am very new to the cactus community, so I don't know exactly what it is called, but I have seen people calling it blue tall boy. So it is tubular in shape. And the second variety which I have is this. This is very pretty. It has a dark brown color, as you can see, and there is a pup coming up. So very soon I will be removing this pup because what happens is when a mother plant has a pup, this pup grows from the nutrition the mother has. So once the roots start popping up from the pup, it has to be removed so that the mother plant becomes healthy again. Otherwise it becomes dry, the water content seems to dry up because the pup will be taking all the nutrition from the mother cactus. So I'm just waiting for the pup to grow a bit so that it can be removed. And this one I got it from Guwahati itself. It's available in all the nurseries, I hope, but this one I got it from Guwahati itself. And the next variety I have is the bunny ear. Everybody knows about it. I mean it's quite common. It's called the bunny ears, but I have this red dotted ones, which is again rare, and it looks very pretty, isn't it? And the next variety which I have is this. This has a lot of stem, as you can see. It's very pretty, and this is a huge cluster. And another variety is this. This again is bunny ears with yellow dots. And I have another variety of this. I don't know what exactly the name is. I mean I'll gradually try to identify the names of this cactus. But this again is very pretty. Another cactus which I have here is this. This is yellow and grayish color. And this is another one again. This I know the name. This is called the castle because it looks like a castle, no doubt. So this is called the castle cactus. There are other colors as well in this variety. There are some total green color and some are like yellowish, which I have, this one. And there is this another variety of cactus which I have with lot of pups coming. So very soon I'll be making another video as to how to remove the pups from the cactus. You need to be very careful while removing the pups. So I'll make another video for that. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you can get all the updated videos on cactus. And this is another one, this is another variety. And this is another variety of cactus which I have. And again this is another variety. This is fur all over. This is a very cute one. I have planted two cactus together here. This is one variety with a lot of pups again. So I have to remove these pups from them, from the mother plant, because otherwise the mother plant won't survive for long. And this is another variety. And this is one more. So these cactus I have kept indoors. There are a few others which are outside. So I'll be making a separate video for that, because otherwise it will become too long. So what I want to tell you guys are cactus are basically the natives of North and South America. And they are so famous now, and you know, due to their ever increasing popularity, and now cactus is available all over the world. You know, people love to keep them indoors. I mean, not recently, I have seen so many artificial cactus plants and succulents which people buy from stores to keep on their study desk and their working tables, because you know, they're very cute and they look really lovely. So what I'm trying to say is, if you know how to take care of your cactus, and then you can definitely keep some live plants on your room, in your study table, or in your working desk, and they would be amazing, you know, because just a small care for these plants can, you know, make them survive. Actually, cactus don't die, you know, they can survive in extreme climate with in dry conditions. They can survive without water for months together. So it's all about how you take care of them, how frequently you need to water them, you have to know. And once you know the trick, it becomes very easy for you to, you know, take care of your plants. So I'll make another video once again, how the kind of pot mix you need to keep them, so that, as we all know, that they are desert plants, they don't need too much of water. So it's very important to plant them in proper soil mix. This soil mix I have made by myself. As you can see, this is a bit different. This is more sandy, and this is some more less sandy but more of a cactus mix. And I've kept some pebbles here, because if this big cactus touches the soil, you know, it might rot. So I have kept some pebbles so that it doesn't touch the soil. And look at this. This is sirca. This stone is called sirca. And why I have kept sirca here, you know, it helps drain the water very soon, because as you can see, they retain a lot of water. Cactus retain a lot of water in their body, and moreover, the outer skin of the cactus, they are like waxy. They retain water and stops from getting evaporated soon. So they have a waxy skin. So I'll make a separate video once again to show how to mix cactus soil. So the last variety of cactus which I'm showing you guys today is this, the white bunny. As you can see, is very pretty. And I have planted this white bunny ears on a cup and saucer set. As you can see, the cup doesn't have any hole, and this is the soil mix. So when you're planting any cactus on a pot or a container which do not have a hole, it's quite tricky, as it might lead to root rots. So I'll make a separate video for that, how to plant cactus and succulents on pots and containers which who do not have holes, and it's quite tricky. And also I'll make a separate video on how to prepare the soil mix for cactus. So I'll end the video today here, otherwise it'll become too long. And hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please do subscribe to my channel for latest updates. And thank you so much.